This is the showroom of Nila Residences here in Manila. We want you to experience the carless community that we're talking about in our videos. So ito po, this is the upper ground. As you can see, wala talagang sasakyan. Everything is below. You can spontaneously walk pag galing ka ng unit mo. This is your patio. Tapos, pwede kang lumabas dyan. All cars ay nasa baba. So, wala kang makikitang cars. Kahit yung mga anak nyo, yung mga dogs nyo, maglalakad-lakad, hindi sila mag-worry na baka masagasaan, ganun. And also, wala tayong issue when it comes to parking kasi lahat nga nasa baba. Pakita ko sa inyo yung pinakang development plan for Nila. So our development is just small compared with others. 200 units only. Kaya very exclusive. Yan. So itong area na to, ito yung pinakang courtyard nyo. All the cars is beneath. Nasa ilalim lahat ng kotse. We also have pools. Modern architecture yung ginamit natin. So kapag pumasok kayo, lahat ng kotse nandun sa ilalim. Ito yung walk path natin, the courtyard. Completely carless. Kaya siya maganda. So very unique concept to Nila Residence. Ngayon lang actually ako naka-visit in a property na carless. So maganda siya.